I think we need to say that South Africa as a country is on a failing trajectory if we are not going to make a drastic turn in a certain direction, in another direction. We are going for failure. The implications are far reaching. At the moment, there are about 5 million illegal immigrants in South Africa, the majority coming from Mozambique, who can be seen as also a failed state, and the other one, Zimbabwe, who is also a failed state as a regard of the controversial land reform. And there's no doubt that South Africa and the failing economy has a huge impact on its neighbors. I'm already picking up that some of these neighbors are bypassing us. I think the more successful countries in the region at the moment is Botswana, it's also Namibia, and to a certain extent, Angola.